Okay, here we go with multiplying out decimals. As you've been taught, a quick cheat method is to forget about the decimal points to start with. So I'm just going to do 31 times 22. Whichever method you want to use, I'm going to use the lattice method. So I've got 31 times 22. Put that into my grid. Put my diagonals in. Right, 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add along the diagonals. 2, 8, 6. So I've got 6, 8, 2. Check your original question. There's one number after the point here, another number after the point there. So I need two numbers after the decimal point. So if I put my decimal point in here, I've got two numbers after the point. 6.82. Now that roughly makes sense because 3 times 2 is 6. So I'm approximately correct. That should be hopefully okay for you. I'm going to do a second one. This time I'm going to do 0.6 times by 0.2. So 6 2's are 12. We've got one number after the point, two numbers after the point, so I need two numbers after the point in the answer. So I'm going to put my decimal point there. That gives me 2 after the point, 0.12. A third one, if I take 0.4 times by 0.02, if I ignore the decimals, I've got 4 times 2, which is 8. Now, how many numbers after the decimal points? We've got 1 here, we've got 2 here, that makes 3. So that's one number. 2, 3 numbers after the point, put my decimal point in, and I have 0.08.